When two vehicles are involved in a head-on collision, drivers and passengers are likely to suffer serious injuries or even death. A recent study by the U.S. Department of Transportation found that less than 3% of all crashes in a given year were head-on collisions, but those head-on accidents cause more than 10% of the fatalities. This video goes over some of the causes of head-on collisions, as well as what drivers can do if involved in one. How they happen. Head-on collisions typically happen in four main ways. The first is when a vehicle crosses the center line or a median and crashes into an oncoming vehicle. The second is when a driver knowingly or unknowingly travels the wrong way in a traffic lane. The third is the result of a driver's inadvertent action, such as running off the road and overcorrecting, causing the driver's car to run into an approaching vehicle's path. And the fourth is the result of a driver's deliberate action, such as passing on a two-lane road. Research shows that a high percentage of head-on crashes occur on rural, undivided two-lane roads. While this seems to indicate that most are linked to unsafe passing, in nearly all cases, fatal head-on collisions occur in non-passing situations, according to the National Cooperative Highway Research Program. In most cases, drivers drift from their lane, sometimes because of speeding through a curve or turn, or they mistakenly turn into oncoming traffic. The aftermath. If a person survives a head-on collision, they may suffer serious injuries, such as traumatic brain injury, neck or spinal cord injury, including paralysis and chest and rib injuries. They may also suffer broken bones, internal organ damage, and disfiguring facial injuries. The parties involved may also experience emotional trauma having gone through the event. Holding drivers accountable. If the underlying cause of a head-on collision is negligent or reckless driving, the at-fault driver may be held responsible for injured parties' medical expenses, vehicle damage, and other losses. Injured drivers and passengers may also be able to obtain compensation for their pain and suffering in serious accidents. If a head-on collision occurs because of drunk driving, distracted driving, drowsy or fatigued driving, like falling asleep at the wheel, such a negligent and reckless driver may be held accountable. Drivers may also be held liable for other dangerous acts, such as attempting to pass on a hill or in a curve, or driving in the wrong direction on a one-way street, freeway, entrance, or exit ramp. Head-on collision attorney. The lawyers at Underwood Law Offices can help drivers obtain the maximum compensation available to assist in recovery from injuries and other losses suffered in a head-on car accident. In Dallas-Fort Worth, their McKinney attorneys serve all of DFW, including Allen, Frisco, Plano, and McKinney, Texas. In West Virginia, their Huntington, West Virginia attorney office represents clients across the entire state. Call their toll-free number 844-UNDERWOOD or 844-863-3796 for a free consultation about a fair settlement and pay no fee unless they win. And before going, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video.